What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a 3-bed, 1-bath property here in Goodyear Heights. This one is fire damaged. Seller wants to sell the property, so he reached out to us and seen if we could take a look at it and make him an offer. Property is going to need a lot of work, but that's what we're here for. So if you got a property that has significant damage or deferred maintenance that you'd rather just sell quickly without having to fix it up, or hire a realtor to charge you a commission, if you want to close quickly, we're the people to call. So definitely reach out to us, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.